Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get dark mode on Snapchat. So first of all, open Snapchat account. After that, click on to profile icon. Go to setting option. Scroll down. Look at to not showing to dark mode option. So we need to do tap on to I need help. Scroll down. Tap on to contact us. Select I need help with a Snapchat feature. Select setting. Select to dark mode. First time I go to Play Store. Search here to Snapchat. Now I'm checking the latest version. I'm using a latest version on Snapchat. So go back to again. When I'm selected dark mode, not provide to the from, so I'm select other. Then showing here to the from. Type here to your username. And here you can explain your main problem. And finally tap on to submit. Okay, now done. Now successfully submit your request. And you need to just waiting some hour, then Snapchat team automatically fix this problem, and I hope your account enable the dark mode. So that's how you can easily get dark mode on Snapchat.